Yeah. Hey, I'm back again. So this is the thing I don't get. Like nobody talks about this series called The Wolf Rain. And I think that this was probably one of the best animated wolf series I've ever seen. Be real with you, I believe this is number one. I don't think there's no series about anything about wolves will ever top Wolf Rain. I'm just being honest. That's just me. But hey, let me show you. I don't know, bro. It's just something about the Wolf Ring. Like, I just don't know. Hold on. I'm not on the keyboard, am I? Look at that. See, so I don't know what it is. Like, and this has been out for a long time. This, like, I mean, I don't know, bro. The action is just on point. Like, I don't know why, but this was such an awesome series from when it came out. No, this series was amazing. It's like some old military tech. I mean, I'm finna stop it right here. But yeah, man, like this series, man, like I just don't understand why I don't be hearing nobody talk about it, bro. I mean, it to me, like, is it dying? But this did come out like a while ago, like 2004. So, I mean, but it was an amazing series. It was well written and it was well made. But, hey, that's all I want to say about it, though. You know what I'm saying? But this is a great series. Anybody, watches it, bro, you won't regret it. You won't regret it. I can tell you that. You will not regret this series. But all right, enough of that. I just wanted to, talk about it and show a little, little glimpse and this was like one of my favorite parts of the series. But I'll see y'all in another one. Peace out. See ya and see you later.